This is a 1971 CL350 Honda. I'd been looking for one for a while. I actually gave up and bought what I thought was a 1970, the way it was painted up and with the red tank and the white stripe, and lo and behold, when I got it home, the original color was poppy yellow when I took the reflectors off the fork ears and looked under the tank. And the frame is stamped 1270, so anyways, I got it in Michigan and brought it back home to Minnesota and spent 11 months restoring it. Tried not to over restore it because I like them to be original, and I think I did a pretty good job. Went a little oversized on the pistons. It's the equivalent of about 1/4 over Honda size. I think it was 65 millimeter. And then I went 1 millimeter bigger on some valves, got some nice kibble weight valves in there. Reground had the cam reground and cranked true. The crank was in good shape. It had 12,900 miles on it when I got it and was really clean on the inside, other than there was an issue at some point with the down in the crankcase. There's a baffle, oil baffle, and that thing was just made out of thin metal, and it had cracked and broken, and parts, a couple pieces were wadded up in the bottom of the engine cases, and it had rattled around in the underneath the piston. So somebody must have had a hellacious noise for a little while when they were riding that thing. And anyway, I went through the motor really carefully and did a nice job on it. I'm making this video late. I finished it last year. I put about 300 miles on it last year, and now I'm going to break 400 today. This will be the last ride this year, but it's really clean. Everything's re-chromed, frames powder coated. Marbles Motors, Randy Marbles did the paint job on it. I didn't go with poppy yellow because I hate that color, and I don't like the blue either. And this was the only candy color available in '71 for the CL350, the nice orange, which came on other things too, like CT70s, but I really like this color, so I went with that. Anyways, I'll start it up here. Really good. It's got a little more torque than it used to, and rides pretty nice. I'm really happy with it.